How to get $100 Lyft working promo code for existing users. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna see the search box. Type in Lyft promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Lyft. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one website, coupon follow. You can also try this one website, open it. With that, you're going to find amazing deals and offer for Lyft. You can see that 50% off, $20 off, 60% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Now you can copy it, then click on redeem at Lyft. You will be directed to the official website of Lyft. Now you can log into your account, book your ride, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of code. Over there, type in your code and confirm your ride. With that, you're going to get the discount in your ride. Likewise, you can also try out other offers. As in this page, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Lyft. Lastly, make sure to go through these websites as well because these websites will also provide you working promo code for Lyft. This way you can easily get up to $100 working Lyft promo code for existing users. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.